This rotary peeler has a superb functionality, some innovative solutions, and an outstanding dynamic design. This device is practical and totally safe to use. It has 3 blades made from high-class, non-corrosive steel, which can easily and quickly peel any fruit or vegetable. It also has a special accessory to delete potato eyes in a second. A special blade allows you to create your own masterpieces and decorate your dishes. You can buy this gadget for only $18. Healthy Bar Press. This mold was created especially to prepare baking homemade bars. You just have to pour in the mold some cereal and nuts, add some honey, and then close the lid using a pair of special straps. This way, in a couple of minutes, you'll have a healthy bar just like the ones you buy in the supermarket. The device is made of excellent heat-resistant silicone and you can clean it in the dishwasher. Buy it for only $28. Meat Maximizer. This modern and effective device can replace the old kitchen hammer used to pound meat. The Meat Maximizer allows you to improve any meat cut before cooking it. The main difference between this gadget and a kitchen hammer is that the Meat Maximizer uses several thin steel blades to cut through the meat's connective tissues, cutting the tendons and ligaments without spoiling the structure of the product or turning it into minced meat. Meanwhile, the meat juices stay in the product, making it more flavorful and tender, and not making a mess in your kitchen. The price of this gadget is $30. Egg Cooker. With this egg cooker, you can easily cook several eggs at the same time. On top of that, it's pretty easy to use. You just have to fill a special measurement cup with water and pour it in the egg cooker. Depending on the quantity of water, the eggs will get more or less cooked, so you can make both soft and hard-boiled eggs. The product also comes with different molds to prepare omelets, and you can clean almost all the elements of the egg cooker in the dishwasher. Buy it for $32. Batter Mixer. This is a universal device to prepare liquid pastry. On top of that, you can use it to store the product itself. The silicone mouth is heat-proof and nothing will happen to it, even if you touch it with a really hot frying pan. The lid can release any pressure inside the mixer, and nothing will spill out once you open the mixer. The little ball-shaped whisk inside the device can easily mix all the ingredients you want. Buy this mixer for only $15.